Streamline your conversation with ease. Today, I'm breaking down how to connect a Voiceflow chat agent to Telegram, making it faster and smarter to engage your audience. For connecting Voiceflow chat agent to Telegram, first we have to connect the Voiceflow agent to Voiceflow. For this, we need a API key. For getting the API key, we have to head to Integrations, API keys, and copy it. And then here in Voiceflow, I have created an agent. Here, I'm gonna paste it, the API key that I've got. And after that, I need the project ID. For getting the project ID, we have to go to Voiceflow, settings, and here is the project ID. I'm gonna copy it and paste it here, and here it is. It's been connected to Voiceflow. And for connecting it to Telegram, we have to go to channels and here click connect, and here it's gonna tell us to create a bot at bot folder on Telegram and copy the token. And here in Telegram, find bot folder. After restarting the chat, it's gonna come with these options, and we're gonna hit new bot. After the new bot, it's gonna come with, alright, a new bot, how are we going to call it? Please choose a name. And after choosing a name, it's gonna come with done, congratulations, your bot has been created, and you can find it at this. And here it's gonna provide the API key, and we're gonna copy it and paste it here. And after that, hit add Telegram bot. Now it's been connected. Now let's find our bot. Here in search, we're gonna search it. Here it is. Now we're gonna start the chat, and here it is. The chat agent has been connected to Telegram, and it's working fine. Note, before connecting your chatbot to Telegram, make sure to publish it and save it on Voiceflow. And after that, connect it to Telegram. And now your Voiceflow agent is seamlessly running on Telegram, ready to handle conversations effortlessly. Want more practical guides like this? Subscribe for the next one.